Alright, gonna do a little update and show some progress on this bed that I've made over the last couple of weeks. It's coming together slow. We're getting into deer season now. And a lot of things going on at work, so I haven't been dedicating as much time to this as I should be. So since I last left you, I made these little supports here on each side. Go between the frame rail and the bed frame rail. The bed frame. Probably going to put one more there where the frame comes up in the middle. We have, of course, these two pieces of square tubing bolted on each side, giving us 1/4 inch of tilt backwards for water to run out of the bed. I don't want it to hold water or anything. And then I've started working on, you can see on the other side there, a simple pedestal for the bed to land on in the front. I'm going to bolt it to the frame. I put that together over there and I haven't decided if I really like it yet. That's why this side hasn't been built, because I don't have much of that square tubing left and I don't want to buy anything for that if I can keep from it. So the big thing I've been working on, and I think this will work well as far as the geometry of it. What I don't know will hold up is these tabs. So these are two cheap eBay 2.5 inch bore, 24 inch stroke, 1 inch rod cylinders that I got on eBay. They were cheap, 80 bucks a piece. Literally can't get 30 seconds without a car going by. This has been notched, welded between the bed rails. It's 1/4 inch 2x2. It should hold up for what we're doing. I do intend on putting a gusset that comes back and gives it some support, because that's going to have some rotational force the way I set this up. Back here in the back, there are 3 bolt holes in the frame from the factory back here. Took a piece of 1/4 inch plate, welded that another piece of 2x2 in there. Tabs the same way on the bottom end. Ended up whacking my finger off, and it's healed now. But got a little discombobulated, and that's out of square. This wound up being a little bit out of square up here, but you can see there's about a 3/8 of an inch difference in the way that those rams are pulled out there to hook up. Regardless, I believe having the cylinders in this orientation will work. I originally intended to have the cylinders in this direction, so all load force will be going towards the tipping angle of the bed. It would help with initial load. However, the length of cylinder and size of cylinder that I could afford, you lost too much mechanical advantage by being back here to the center of the front of the bed, back to the pivot pin, to where I think that it was going to be equal strength either way. And I have a 12-foot easy dump bed that I mirrored this system off of. So roundabout. And that dump trailer works immaculately well. So I have a feeling that our cylinders are going to work out for our hydraulics here. Will it be as strong as it could potentially be? Probably not. It may handle the amount of work that I'm going to do with it regularly. Could it be done better with a telescoping cylinder? Yes, it could lift more, but I'm telling you, we're going to be nearing the capacity of the truck. I think this setup will handle what the truck can handle, if you catch what I'm saying. I really hate living right beside the main road. Good Lord. Sorry about the car noise. And this video is choppy, but it's not like it matters. Nobody watches this crap. I do this more for myself, documenting what I'm doing anyway. So moving forward, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the second one of these, make sure I like that. Obviously get it bolted to the frame and paint it up and everything. Go through and paint all my welds through the headache rack where I am right now. And the next step, which will be a month or so down the road, will be getting the hydraulic pump I want. Gonna go 12 volt electric and plumbing in the cylinders. Probably not going to try to make any more progress on the bed until I can verify that these cylinders are going to function the way I want them to. And it will make less work for plumbing and everything to have everything opened up the way it is currently. So that's where I'm at on the dump bed. And this cat, man, this cat just is irritating. So, attention fiend. But so that's where I've been, or that's where I've got with it. I think it'll work for my purposes, but we'll wait and see. And please don't judge my welding. I know it's terrible. Y'all have a good one.